TGIF, good morning time.
Southbound, that ain't going that way. Southbound looks like it's closed. Then he's going to post it on YouTube.
Nah, I think it's more like he's stuffing his face with breakfast.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, really. He's stuffing his face with, some breakfast. Come on. Gotta eat a hell of a breakfast when you're smoking this kind of spliff to wake up. Gotta fill that belly but good.
Yes, that Richie Radio, the queen of New York City. About accepting radio. Well, who's in his stock is? Queen of New York City.
Wow. We got a new pussy on the channel. Hey, yo, Fours, that another friend of yours, man? Alright, well, you know, I figure I got some guy wanting to be my queen, man. Trying to tell him I'm married already, man. The king is already married. A queen like him, I don't need.
Look at that queen of New York City. You better marry.
Roger. Alright, let me, Oh, yeah. Alright, let me get back quiet, man.
Yeah, man, boy. Get back quiet. Get back in quiet chair, clear.
Fuck you, Eddie.
Get back in quiet chair.
That's right. Audio. That's right. Audio. With a cool stroke. On this TGIF, and it ain't a fuck you Friday. Yes, sirree. TGIF across the band. The man with the master plan, the Midas touch, and that irritating insult to injury $10 stock mic got down. Ayo4, you hear that cat playing me back from North Dakota yesterday? Yeah, go check the Pistol Grip channel. 24/7 and Twister. Exactly 2:47 in my video, he decides to throw me back at me. I came off the key at 2:45. The King of New York. Love now, Bakwa. Watch it. You better watch it, man. We got cats on a bird diet. I said you better watch it. We got dog pluckers on a bird diet. Oh, cool stroke back. Why?
I think your friend 201 to hire you so you can work on the...
Wow, I think I hear a euphoric Cuckoo Bird just trying to start a ghost talk conversation with me. Yes, sir. You know we don't talk to Cuckoo Birds. The man with the master plan. Alright, I gotta take a pause, man. With this morning cup of Java, excuse me, coffee. I don't want to use fag slang. With this morning cup of coffee, I'm gonna smoke me a Mama La Mancha spliff. I'll be back.
Hey, he's off the hook, man. Listen to him.
That's right, Eddie. That's right. I'm off the hook. You ain't ever met a motherfucker like me. Pussy like you ain't ever met a motherfucker like me. Now I'm gonna go smoke me a fat blunt.
Yeah, quit lying to the public, I say, dirty bird.
Shut up, pussy.
Dirty bird.
I'd rather be a dirty pussy than a fucking pussy. I'd rather be a dirty bird than be a pussy.
He just admitted he's a dirty pussy. You see how fucked up he is, man? Watch it, Richie boy.
Hey, Eddie, you know what I do with pussies like you? I leave it for the girls. I got girls. I hang out with girls that'll knock the shit out of you. I'm on the side.
You heard it. He'd rather be a dirty pussy than a dirty bird. I got empty on the inside. Alright, happy Halloween, guys. It's here to Killer Clarkson. Alright, happy Halloween, guys. It's here to Killer Clarkson.
See, the morning wouldn't be right without one of these big duck fuckers right here. High grade. The kind of shit you motherfucking pussies can't afford. Listen to the euphoria of the melancholy ghost talking to me Birdman, the coke junkie. Sorry, you'll have to give him a second. He's blowing the guy riding shotgun.
That's what happens. Men with no manhood who stand in back of their families and use them as
Listen to this fucking coked out bird.
I figured you couldn't hear me because that bird's got a wing over my antenna.
What, that ghost talking cokey bird?
Somebody is coming at you, and your reaction is you throw your wife and kids in front of you. Shame on you. Imagine being so spineless that you gotta stand in front of your and behind your family. Wow.
Or this cat's the reason you just say no to drugs. Well, you know them cokey birds. They ghost talk and cry to men that ain't even on the channel, or men that don't modulate with them. It's called envy and jealousy, baby.
You might as well give him the pants. He might as well give him the pants.
You see what I'm saying?
Because he don't know how.
Listen to this coked out motherfucker.
Take him off. Hand him to her. Either go to the store and get him some stockings.
He's talking to Sir Michael Anthony Action, who is not out here and has not keyed up one time yet. Actually, Mike don't wake up till after 6.
Imagine somebody coming at you, and the only defense you got is to throw your family in front of you.
Imagine the imagination this cokey bird has of his enemies confronting him. Oh, the king. Hey, look what Junkie made it 15 minutes late in the video gate. Now I'm going to go smoke the rest of this out. Let Channel 19 handle y'all. Cokey Bird, your girlfriend's here.
As soon as I come on, she gets...
No. We just don't want to. We don't want to be the cause for you to torture the truck drivers, dude. It ain't got nothing to do with you. We just don't want to be the cause for you to bother the truck drivers. So I'm going to get back quiet. Without this dick to suck, they don't have to hear your shit. And besides, I'm the king.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's true. You're right there.
Oh, yeah, that's true. You're right there. Listen to the ghost talk.
I'm about to have my first cup up.
Well, guess what? Hey, tell him Richie went back quiet. Shut the fuck up about Richie.
That junkie 127 learned a lesson. She's got to behave because the time is ticking.
Gee, listen to this punk pussy. I liked it better when he was threatening me, telling the whole world he's coming to bring his Kevlar gloves to act like a man rather than pussy behind the mic. I don't want to be the reason. I don't want to be the reason that jerk-off keys up and tortures y'all. Let me get back in the cut, smoke this blunt, hang out till about 6 till that junkie got to leave. I'm back in the cut.
Tom's got to stand behind this manhood to stand in for that shit.
But that's what cowards usually do. They push someone else in front of them to fight their battles. Richie's known for that. Well, I think Richie got all those fans involved. I wouldn't say fans, I say flunkies. That's the whole reason. Richie can't come to the plate. He can't come to Manhattan because he knows all his.
Listen to this junkie.
If he ever steps in front of the enforcer, he knows that.
Well, Mr. Enforcer, if it was a fifth, we'd all be drunk. You're a pussy and microphone gangster. You threatened me for months with your Kevlar gloves, how you coming to Brooklyn. You're a pussy. And yes, you do jump in front of Bird. You've been running Bird's argument for over a year now. But I don't want to be the reason that you're out here tying up the truck drivers. So I'll get back quiet, and then they'll just curse out you and your scummy buddy Birdman and Crazy Eddie, because, you know, the three clique of y'all, the chaos out here, and the king will get back quiet.
He could be a good state home bitch.
Yep. Hey, drivers, get on him. Get on him.
You notice that pussy ain't talking about his Kevlar gloves, how he's coming to Brooklyn anymore, right? Drivers, they're all yours. I'm back in the cut.
Oh, yeah. That's where Richie become a real fucking cunt, a real Caitlyn.
Yo, he's mighty obsessed with Caitlyn, dude. I actually feel honored. He's more obsessed with Caitlyn than he is me, the king. No.
Caitlyn from the greenie.
Can't make this shit up.
Yo, listen to the difference in Cuckoo Bird now that he's got somebody to rock with and roll with out here. You hear the confidence that built up in his voice since Enforcer started keying up? Boy, these two Cuckoo Birds are funny. Yes, sir. Enforcer was supposed to pay me a visit that night. You see how well it worked out? Pussy.
He wants. He could fabricate the stories all he wants. He's a self-admitted homosexual who used to masturbate to the guys with their dicks busting out their bellies. He's the same guy who said he had to convince his mother when she walked in and found them bent over. Imagine your mother who was trying to raise him. She walks in and finds him on all fours in the lobby. Alright, happy Halloween, guys. See you looking at Fox and McDonald's.
Richie's the king.
Put the ghost down up in here. Alright, happy Halloween, guys. See you looking at Fox and McDonald's right there. Real empty. Wow, put the ghost down up in here.
Well, that's what happens to guys like Richie when they look in the mirror, when they go to take a piss, and he has to sit down instead of stand up, you know? Richie can never use a urinal because he has to squat like a bitch. Of course, he's been shortchanged in life. In the brain.
Wow, this cat hallucinates about being in a bathroom with me. Wow, these junkies are funny.
Isn't that what you call her, Aphrodite? Oh, yeah, she has a little undeveloped, I don't know what you call it, a twig. But, yeah, that bitch has 2 sex organs. Hermaphrodite. Oh, yeah. That's why, you know, he literally fucks himself every time.
Look at them, the three of them are tumbling over there. So Enforcer's so mad at what I got off, and he's mad that I'm not letting him suck my dick. I'll leave him up to you drivers.
Awesome, he does. Well, the only balls Richie has, the one bouncing off his chin. That's what he has in common with Rock Hudson.
Boy, this cat knows more about balls on chin than anything else.
Stockings and some heels for Christmas so he can wear underneath his Santa Claus outfit. I want him to feel sexy inside.
I guess I put that cup of Java on hold, huh? And I'm the king.
So they call you the number 4. I was wondering what they called you, driver. They call you the number 4. Hey, number 4. Hey, number 4. That's a good number because it keeps you 2 away from being a number 2, like Richard. Yeah, boy, it's happening, man. Hey, Richard.
All right, happy Halloween, guys. See you looking at Clarkson. McDonald's right there. Real empty.
Thank you, Crazy Eddie, for taking these junkies out my radio.
Clarkson, McDonald's right there. Real empty. Wow, it's like a ghost town up in here. All right, happy Halloween, guys. See you looking at Clarkson. McDonald's right there. Real empty. Wow, it's like a ghost town up in here.
Goddamn, driver, where you roll with that video game?
That's Eddie on the bridge, junkie.